Got the water cooler going. I've been cooking all morning. And I was standing here cutting up vegetables, and there's a train going by. Anyway, I was cutting up vegetables thinking, oh man, this is going to be a good video. Everybody's going to really like it. Oh, I forgot to even get my camera out. So I'm kind of back up and go through it with you. The first thing I'm doing, which I've already done one batch, is I cut up a bunch of zucchini, bell peppers, all colors of bell peppers, and some white onion. And right now I've got them soaking in salt water, and they have to soak for 2 hours. That's to make relish, sweet relish. And let's see, here's one of the jars I've already done. Well, couple of jars. Get over here in the light. I don't know if you can see that or not. But anyway, yeah, it's sweet pickle relish or sweet zucchini relish. I'll put the recipes down below. These are water bath canned. They're not done in the pressure canner. And then the next thing I'm doing is a recipe called Cowboy Candy. It's candied jalapenos. So I had 10 pounds of jalapenos that I've cut up, sliced pretty thick, because when you boil them they kind of get smushy. So I like to have a little texture to them. So I left them a little wider than normal. And then in this pan here, I've got, and I tripled the liquid recipe, so it's 6 cups of sugar. There you go. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Anyway, I'll put the recipe down below. The relish I'm doing in the smaller half-pint jars, and then the jalapenos I will put in, I know I'm looking for jars to show you, in the wide mouth, in this size jar, because it's easier to get them out of the wider mouth jar. My jars are in the dishwasher. I need to clean up my kitchen, and I really need to learn to keep my fingers out of my eyes. Yeah, I did use gloves, and yes, whenever you're cutting up this many jalapenos, wear gloves. You'll be sorry if you don't. We did that one time. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it. When my dishwasher gets done, I will fill the jars, and I'll bring you back for that part of it. You've already seen me fill many jars, but anyway. Oh, I got my sticker finally for my, let me pull it out, for my, put you right here, for my refrigerator door. 3 weeks, and from what this says, it came from Sacramento. Took them 3 weeks to get it here, and lots of complaining from me. It was, the first time they sent it, the tracking number said that it was out for delivery. So I'm watching the front door thinking, my sticker's going to be here. By about 8 o'clock, it didn't show up. So I emailed the company, oh, it got lost in the whatever. And I'm thinking, how does it get lost from the post office? Well, it went from the post office to the delivery truck, which is like 4 blocks away from where I live at the very most, but it got lost. Anyway, so here it is. Can you see it? Whine a little, laugh a lot. So I'm going to put that on my refrigerator. Anyway, so I was excited to get that. Let's see, how am I doing? Had a couple of really bad days, but I'm doing better, kind of forcing myself to get up. I got the curtains all sewn, they're done. I'm waiting to put the curtains up because I'm trying to get my nephew's friend, who has a business, to put tinting on my Manor windows. and I don't want to put the curtains up. He's just going to have to take them down, yada, yada, yada. So, trying to get that done. He's supposed to be a mobile guy, so I'm hoping he will come here and do it. If he doesn't, then that means I've got to get my yard guy to finish my gate in the alley so I can get my trail manor out. There's no way I can get it out right now. He's got poles that are cemented in that he's going to cut off when he puts the gate in, and the poles have to be cut off. I can't spin my trailer around and hook it up to the truck. I can't do anything. I'm kind of stranded. So, what else? Anyway, I'm going to go lay down and rest for a while. Like I said, I've got about 45 minutes left on the zucchini to be in the saltwater bath. Got to wait for my dishes to get done in the dishwasher, and then I'll bring you back. Bye, guys. Okay, so I got the zucchini mix in here, and it's supposed to simmer for, I believe it was 10 minutes. So I'll leave these in here and let them do their thing. And then the jalapenos are doing good. Every now and then just come and give them a quick stir. See how some of them are still bright green, and then, and then this one has kind of turned like an olive color. That's what you want, is that olive color. Any more than that, and the jalapenos get too mushy. And from what I hear from people that I've given this stuff to, they like them with a little bit of texture. So I'll let them cook a little bit longer, and I'm going to do this in 2 different boil batches. Otherwise, the pot will just be too full. So just cover them up and let them do their thing, and then I'll be back. Okay, the jalapenos are ready. So I'm getting my jars that are hot. It's on the outside. My hot jars out of the dishwasher from the sanitize cycle. And they're hot, that's for sure. About done, and this is the first batch of the jalapeno, the cowboy candy, so I'm getting ready to take them out now. Echo, cancel timer. Yay! First batch. I haven't made this in a while. I had some extra juice left over, so I went ahead and canned it so I can use it to marinate meat in for barbecue. And all of them have sealed. Yay! Alright, time for me to go lay down. Sorry about the beep. I'll talk to you later. Bye.